If your Anthurium plant is not flowering, there could be several reasons behind it. Here are some common factors to consider and tips to encourage flowering. Anthuriums generally thrive in bright indirect light. If your plant is not receiving enough light, it may not produce flowers. Ensure it gets filtered or indirect sunlight for at least 6 hours a day. Anthuriums prefers warm and humid condition. Ensure the temperature stays between 65 to 80 degree Fahrenheit. Overwatering or underwatering can both affect flowering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Use well-draining soil to prevent waterlogged roots, which can lead to root rot. Anthurium prefers being slightly root bound. If the pot is too large, it may focus more on foliage growth than flowering. Anthuriums benefit from regular fertilization during the growing season. Use balanced liquid fertilizer or a formula with higher phosphorus to promote flowering. Follow the recommended dosage on the fertilizer package and avoid over fertilizing as it can harm the plant. Some Anthuriums go through a dormancy period where they may not produce flowers. This is normal and they should resume flowering when the condition becomes more favorable. Young Anthurium plants may take some time to reach maturity before they start producing flowers. Be patient and as the plant matures, it is likely to bloom. Evaluate these factors and make adjustments according to create optimal condition for your Anthurium to flower.